Living in Loves Park, a vibrant city with a growing population, you may find that noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby businesses can sometimes disrupt your peace and quiet. If you've noticed that external sounds are seeping into your home, it might be time to consider replacing your windows to help with noise reduction. Windows play a significant role in how much noise enters your home, and by upgrading to more soundproof windows, you can create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. In this article, we'll explore how windows in Loves Park can help with noise reduction, offering a range of solutions to help you reclaim peace in your home. Whether you're near a busy street, in an urban area, or just want to improve your home's acoustics, soundproof windows can make a world of difference. The role of windows in noise transmission. Windows are one of the primary entry points for sound in your home. When you have old or inefficient windows, noise can easily pass through the glass and window frame, disturbing your indoor tranquility. Traditional windows, especially single-pane glass, offer very little in terms of sound insulation. They are porous and thin, allowing external noise, such as traffic, construction, or neighborhood activities, to infiltrate your living spaces. Sound travels through the air in waves, and the quality of the window material, the number of panes, and the seals around the window all contribute to how well sound is blocked. Upgrading to more advanced window options, such as double-glazed or laminated glass, can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home from the outside. Double-glazed windows. A key to reducing noise. One of the most common solutions for noise reduction in homes is double-glazed windows. These windows consist of two panes of glass separated by a gap, often filled with an insulating gas like argon. This gap between the panes acts as a sound barrier, helping to absorb and deflect sound waves. Double-glazed windows are particularly effective at reducing low-frequency sounds, such as traffic noise or loud neighbors. How it works. The two layers of glass and the insulating gas in between not only provide excellent thermal insulation but also offer effective soundproofing. The gap between the panes reduces the vibration of sound waves, preventing them from traveling easily through the window. Benefits. Double-glazed windows are a great choice for homeowners in Loves Park who live near busy roads or areas with high noise levels. Not only will they reduce noise, but they also help with energy efficiency by preventing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Laminated glass. Superior noise insulation. If you live in an area with particularly high levels of external noise, such as near a busy street, train track, or airport, laminated glass windows might be the solution you need. Laminated glass is a specially engineered product that consists of two panes of glass with a layer of polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) plastic sandwiched between them. The PVB layer helps dampen sound waves, making laminated glass highly effective at blocking noise. How it works. The PVB interlayer acts as a sound barrier, absorbing sound waves before they can travel through the glass. This technology is highly effective at reducing high-frequency sounds like voices, sirens, or the hum of appliances. Benefits. Laminated glass is one of the most effective window options for soundproofing, particularly for homes located in noisy urban areas or near highways. It not only reduces external noise but also provides additional benefits, such as UV protection and enhanced security because the interlayer makes the glass more resistant to shattering. Triple glazed windows. Ultimate soundproofing. For those seeking the best possible soundproofing solution, triple glazed windows offer the ultimate performance. These windows feature 3 panes of glass with multiple insulating gas layers between them. The extra layer of glass further enhances the window's ability to block out sound, making them the ideal choice for homeowners who want a significant reduction in noise levels. How it works. The third pane of glass and the additional layers of gas between the panes create multiple barriers that significantly reduce sound transmission. The combination of the materials used and the air gaps between the panes results in exceptional noise reduction. Benefits. Triple glazed windows are ideal for homes located in extremely noisy environments. They are also highly energy efficient, providing excellent insulation against both heat and sound. If you live in a busy area in Loves Park or near industrial zones, triple glazed windows are a solid investment for long-term peace and comfort. Sealing gaps and improving window frame. While upgrading to soundproof windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce noise, it's also important to ensure that your windows are properly sealed. Even the best soundproof windows will lose their effectiveness if there are gaps in the frame or poor seals around the window. Window frames. High-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or wooden frames are good choices for reducing noise. These materials are better at insulating sound than traditional aluminum frames, which can conduct noise through the frame and into your home. Weather stripping and sealing. Ensuring that there are no gaps around your window is critical to blocking noise. Professional window installers will apply high-quality weather stripping and sealants to keep your windows airtight, preventing both sound and energy loss. Additional benefits of soundproof windows. In addition to reducing external noise, upgrading to energy-efficient, soundproof windows can provide other benefits for homeowners in Loves Park. Enhanced privacy. Noise-reducing windows also prevent unwanted sounds from traveling into your home, offering better privacy and a quieter living space. Increased home value. Homes with high-quality, energy-efficient windows are more attractive to potential buyers, especially those who value peace and quiet. Improved indoor air quality. Well-sealed windows also help keep out dust, pollen, and pollutants, improving the overall air quality inside your home. Conclusion. If you're dealing with noise problems in your Loves Park home, upgrading to soundproof, energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to reclaim peace and quiet. Whether you opt for double-glazed windows, laminated glass, or triple-glazed windows, these modern solutions provide effective noise reduction while improving your home's overall comfort, energy efficiency, and value. With the right window replacement, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment, no matter how noisy it is outside.